السلام عليكم. أني المواطن عداي قطان ملتات من العراق. كنت أعاني من مفاصلي باستمرار. قررت أن أجرى عملية في عدة دول، ولكن مصادفة التقيت بشخص مجرى عملية في مستشفى ماكس من قبل الدكتور رامنيك مهاجن، كانت نتائج جيدة، فقررت الذهاب إلى دلهي.
So Adday came to us from Iraq. What an interesting case from a perspective if you need to understand. What is the most common problems that you can think of? Hypertension, blood pressure, diabetes, he has everything. You talk of heart problem, attack, stents, he has it. He was very obese and fat, so he has obesity. He gets a bariatric surgery done. So now he has, what does he have? Hypertension, diabetes, heart attacks, problems with stents, then bariatric surgeries. After bariatric surgeries, plastic surgeries around the abdomen to shrink the muscles. So with this, and then he had knee problems, so somebody did arthroscopies, cleaning of the knees. Somebody gave him injections in the knees. But at 61, he has tried now everything. So with this patient, what are challenges? Medical management of his problems, taking help of physician and cardiologists, letting the anesthetists take a purview so that as much as possible bring him down his risk parameters, mitigate the risks. Then we decided we will do robotic surgeries.
تم إجراء العملية يوم 12/8/23، وكان دكتور رومانيك مهاجن دكتور راقي وجيد جدا وناجح في إجراء العملية، حيث تم إجراء العملية اللي هي بطريقة الريبورت، والآن مر عليه 8 أشهر وأنا بصحة جيدة والعملية ناجحة والحمد لله.
Why we did robotic knee replacement? Because we do not violate the major bones. We do not open the canal. We do not cut the soft tissues much. So there was less cutting, non going into the femur, no drillings into the femur. So everything would lead to a point where a robotic surgery technology using the help of Mako Robo, we could do the surgery more precisely, more clean, less cuts, less violation of the soft tissues. To a point, the result is there for you to see.
هنالك رعاية جيدة جدا في مستشفى ماكس من قبل الكادر التمريضي الموجود بالمستشفى، وهنالك أخلاق طيبة جدا من قبل الأطباء الموجودين، وخاصة الدكتورة اللي عملت لي التخدير الموضعي، أنا أشكرها جدا، وأشكر الدكتور اللي أجرى العملية رامنيك مهاجر بأخلاقه الطيبة والجيدة.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.